Grammar is important, but grammar is not English. Then, what is important? What is important? You skip. Like tense is important. Some basic words, basic sentences important, but you don't want to learn this. You focus on grammar. You think grammar is very important. Oh my god, without grammar I can't speak English. Oh my god. My dear friends, in this video I'm going to talk very important thing. And you don't need grammar, okay? You don't need grammar if you want to speak perfect English. Not perfect, but if you want to speak English. So you don't need to uh, take tension. In this video I'm going to solve, oh my god, my phone is going to fall down, but wait, it's perfect. It's now, it is, everything is okay now. Wait. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about grammar is not important. Important tense, basic words, basic sentences. This is tools. But if you never use the tools, you will stay in your comfort zone forever. Like your comfort zone is called let me learn one more rule first, one more grammar rule first. So grammar is not equal to English. You need to understand this. Grammar is not equal to English. I say just listen. Speak. You have to speak wrong English for 30 days, non-stop 30 days. Just forget grammar rules. Just fuck grammar rules. Okay. Speak wrong English. Speak wrong English. What I am saying? Speak wrong English and fuck grammar rules. Okay? Okay. Next, just post one video daily. And if you can't post, just practice speaking. Good morning, good evening, hello, how are you? Basic English spoken daily is greater than perfect English which is never spoken. So start with basic English, and you don't need grammar in basic English. Okay. So basic is greater than perfect. So start with basics. And my dear friends, your grammar book will not give you confidence. Speaking will give you confidence. So get out of that lazy comfort zone now. Okay, just I will speak tomorrow, yesterday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, January, February. Stop this and start speaking today. Don't do January, February, March, April, Sunday, Monday. Like I will speak this Sunday, this Monday, I will speak January, I will start in the end of March. No. Cut. Start speaking today if you want to speak English. Okay? And yes, wait. Very important thing. Just set this in your mind, fix this in your mind that I quit perfect. I don't want to speak perfect English. Set this, fix this, and say to yourself, I don't want to speak perfect English. I quit perfect English. I accept basic English. Okay, this is what I did. This is what I did, and this is what I am doing currently in order to get fluent in order to get fluent in English language. Okay. So guys, your comfort zone is killing your English. Your perfect grammar rule is killing your English, and you don't even know it. And you know it, still you are doing the same thing. So get out of this. Okay, if you want to speak this language. So your comfort zone is equal to your enemy. You all know. I don't need to say this, but still I am saying. Okay, so every day just say today I will practice speaking. I mean, you say in your mind that I will practice. I already say, you say I will practice English today, but you just open grammar book, watch one rule video on YouTube or whatever, and you speak zero English, and zero English is equal to zero progress. Zero English speaking is equal to zero progress, and you accept and you expect that I'm going to get fluent in 1 month or 7 weeks, 1 week, or this week. How? How you are going to get fluent? My dear friends, if you will not speak, how? How you expecting this? Are you mad? It's not going to get you fluency, okay? And listen, wait, don't skip the video, okay? If you are just stopping this video and going somewhere else, wait, very important thing is coming next. Wait. So guys, you stay in your comfort zone. You want to stay in your comfort zone because comfort zone feels safe. No one, because no one laughs there, no one can judge you, no mistakes, no excuses, no hard work, no English speaking, just sleeping and eating and scrolling and just listening whatever you want, and zero progress. Comfort zone is equal to zero progress. But guys, English does not live in your notebook, it does not live in your grammar, it is English lives outside your comfort zone, right? English is live english lives outside. If you want, if you feel it, you are going to get this language. And guys, comfort zone gives you 100 excuses, 1,000 excuses, lakhs excuses, and zero results. And no excuses. And the reality is, if there is no excuses, there is real English. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. अगर कोई एक्सक्यूजेज नहीं होगा, कोई बहाने नहीं होंगे, तो तभी रियल इंग्लिश हो पाएगी, तभी आप सीख पाओगे, तभी आप इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट हो पाओगे. ओके, सो या, एंड वेट, very important thing I want to tell you next, what I did in order to get fluent in this language. I am telling you, I was like you. For 1 year I was learning present perfect, this grammar rule, indefinite tense, past tense, future tense. But whenever someone said good morning, hello, something they said, my mind went blank, because I practiced in comfort zone, not in real life. And the day I posted my first wrong English video, everything changed. I feel that wrong English is greater than no English. I feel that wrong English is far better than no English. I feel this, guys. That's why I'm telling you. And this is very important to know. And this is the reality. If you want to get fluent, if someone is telling you learn English overnight, learn English in 1 week, no, they are telling a lie. It's all your effort. And wrong English is very important, because it teaches you, it helps you to identify your mistakes, and you learn a lot. Okay, and I experienced this, that's why I'm telling you. Okay, and guys, when you come out of your comfort zone, if you are scared, if you are feeling stuck, that means you are out of comfort zone. And just comment I am out. If you start speaking today, comment in the comment box I am out. And guys, comfortable people don't grow, brave people do. So please start speaking today. And let me tell you, English learners believe that I will start speaking when my grammar is perfect. This is your comfort zone talking, okay? So comfort zone is that sweet place where you only read English, only listen to English, only write notes, but you never speak English, because speaking means you can make mistakes. Someone can judge you, they will make laugh of you. So speaking means someone might laugh, right? So speaking means you feel scared, so your mind says, let me learn one more tense first, and this, let me be 100% ready, then I will start reading speaking. But my dear friend, 100% ready day never comes. Your comfort zone is not protecting you, it is just stopping you. So guys, real English is learned when you are uncomfortable, when your heart beats fast before speaking, when you say a wrong sentence but you still continue. That is growth, that is progress. So every time you choose comfort, you choose to stay silent for one more day. So every time you choose courage, you choose to speak 1% better. So ask yourself, do I want to be comfortable or do I want to be confident? Because you can not be both. So guys, get out of your comfort zone, speak rock English, and start. That day your progress is a start. So yeah, this is what I want to tell. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and joining me today. Thank you so much for your support and love you all. Thank you so much and all the best. Bye.